Hi guys, I'm back. I know it's been a long time. Here's a video of me quickly removing my acrylic design. I did this design in the last video. It was a bad angle, but my new equipment just got in. Right now I'm just taking a cone bit, it's really coarse. I am making like a little divot in the nail just to thin it out so when I use my clippers it will not like crack my actual nail, because sometimes when you clip the sides it'll crack the foundation of the acrylic, but it'll also go to your natural nail. So I'm just thinning out this little divot so I can take that off. Afterwards I'm just going to thin out the actual acrylic on my nail bed so that I can sculpt a new design, which will be in a new video. I'll probably upload that sometime tomorrow, but it is already recorded. And I will show you, I don't think I have the clip of how my nails looked after I took the nails off, but you will see it in the beginning of my next video. Right here is a clip switch because someone ended up calling me and it interrupted my recording. But I wanted to tell you that I didn't use the fingernail clippers, I used the nippers. And that's just because I couldn't get it to a proper angle to clip the nail tips off. But as soon as I clipped, it just popped right off. There was no resistance or struggle, it just came off with ease. And the pinky nail actually came off while I was still creating the divot. So if you get it thin enough, then it'll work just fine. Right here, I am thinning out the nail bed. I did use colored acrylic like I do with all of my designs, but I always put a clear base of clear acrylic on my natural nail so that when I file down, I don't file too far, and so it won't hurt. And that is it. It's just a lot of filing. I don't soak because I do sculpt my redesigns, as you will see in the next video. But this is pretty much it. Just filing. It's kind of satisfying. So continue watching, like, subscribe if you haven't already, and feel free to share with anyone. Thank you. And stay tuned to see how I created this design.